Welcome to this video on how to install CapCut on PC and mobile device. Please subscribe because when you subscribe it helps me to produce more videos. Thank you. So to have your CapCut on your PC, you can come here and search for CapCut and then you enter. So this is the website capcut.com. So you open the website. Now we are here in the CapCut website. So if you come here to the top right corner, you will see a little sign that is like Windows sign. So when you come there and over on it, you see download for desktop. So after downloading, you install it and you have the desktop version of your CapCut. So now let me tell you that you can also use this CapCut website to edit your videos. If you want to start a new video, you can come here or you use it to do other things. So CapCut website is also another good video editor. You can either use the CapCut website or you use the CapCut application, Windows app, or use the mobile version. Now let's talk about the mobile version. So when you are here on your mobile device, you can come here. If you are using Android, just go to Play Store and then you search for CapCut. So when you search for CapCut, it will appear as you are seeing on my screen. So if you have not installed it already, you will see here installed, but my own, I have already installed it, so that is why it's showing updates. So if you see install on your own, so you just click on the install button and you get it on your mobile device.